Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. This is Jeff again, and we're going to talk about one hand. So, I started using one hand a few months ago. This is actually one of the best application. They offer 30 days duration, and the interest is not that high. So, unlike with other application that you can only have a loan for 7 or 14 days, this is actually one of the best loan application. Although you may not be able to download it on Play Store or any app, or where you can download it on Play Store, but I think using Google, wants to search for it, there's a link there that you can still use to download it. Um, so yeah, one hand is still operational. Um, so actually, I learned about their issue about like 2 months ago. When I checked it online and Play Store, yeah, the you cannot search the name of the app because of yeah, because of maybe of the complaints about them, harassment or something like that. Yeah, I actually experienced that as well. Like they will call you a few days before a due date, and yeah, so they're really persisting to collect the payment. But harassment not that much. Just as a reminder, yeah, just a reminder. It's just that that's like 3 days before your due date, or sometimes more than 3 days. So yeah, it's a good thing that they remind you, but it's not a good practice if you keep doing that. Maybe I would like advise one hand to actually just send an email, text message. Just don't do a call from time to time, because that's really something. So I saw the issue. I think that is because of those um, borrowers who don't pay, and I, as far as I learned, it's the one hand is like putting their names like on social media and something like that. So that's not a good practice. So hopefully, one hand will be able to actually improve their services when it comes to that. But I think it's still a good app. It's just that they have to improve when it comes to customer service. Um, so for me, it's still, well, I'll rate the application like um, let's say 4.5 out of 5. So because they're still reliable actually once you um, uh, file a loan for them. I mean, file a loan on their application. Uh, it's just a few minutes before you can get it. So you can actually use different types of um, what do you call this, debit card, or yeah, debit card actually will do. But if you there's a lot of payment options as well you can actually use. Usually use Gcash or PayMaya to pay them. Um, but now, by the way, they do have a different way of process of paying the loan. But I think as far as I remember, I paid in the last time using still Gcash or PayMaya, so still good. So yeah, I'm just not sure if you can still download it in Google, but as far as I can remember, there's a link there that you can actually click on, and maybe you can download it using that. So just search the name One Hand. But for me, I didn't try it because I still have the app installed on my phone, so I don't need it. Um, So that's it for me. For this is my survey or review for one hand. Hope you like it, and we'll see you next time for the next application. Thank you and bye.